BBQ Chicken serves the best Korean fried chicken in the world. Our menu provides one-of-a-kind recipes and features a wide range of authentic Korean foods.
BBQ Chicken in Ayala Malls Feliz. It's a Korean chicken like this one on the menu, Korean classic. Sweet, savory, and smoky with green onions and sesame seed garnish. Korean fried chicken. American style, true to the recipe. Ingredients and methods we use in Korea are flavors range from traditional favorites to adventurous new creations. Look, masarap siya. Yung pinaka naramdaman ko kanina is fresh. Fresh ang kanyang chicken and not chicken. Not all chicken are the same. Hindi yung kala mo merong chicken dyan. Yung, sometimes the freshness and the size, no? There's a whole chicken and then yun lang, syempre, pinaka gusto ko talaga yung regular na ganyan without any honey or sugar coating like this. Masarap din naman yung merong mga coating pero yung regular is the best for me. Ito, okay siya, hot and spicy and the soy garlic. Of course, the galbi spicy. Galbi Caribbean spice. Cheeseling. I bet this has cheese, no? Dusted with cheese. Sweet cheese. Gangnam style. Look at that. Black pepper sauce. With this, some heat. Garlic and onions. Magaling. Magaling yung recipe nila. No? Sometimes from the outside, makikita mo, akala mo parang bonchon. Yung something like bonchon. Of course, bonchon masarap din naman. Korean style, but sometimes the method of cooking, yung timing and the balance, no? Sometimes may chili dyan, may onion, may garlic. Yung balance niya and the timing ang paglabas niya, yung tamang-tamang hindi super hot, hindi rin cold, no? So everything, it comes into play para magkaroon ka ng isang wonderful dining experience like this spicy original, okay to. And this wings of fire, hot mala, K-food, and Woki. Classic Korean street food made from rice cakes, fish cakes. So I bet this is also good, no? Kaya lang din namin in-order to. Mukhang masarap din siya, oh. And especially this kimchi rice. Kimchi rice, akala nyo napaka-simple lang na a little kimchi, an egg, no? Pero yung play niya, yung interplay niya ng spices, and of course the fish wrapper na shredded siya with spring onions and some chilies. Ang sarap ng combination. Then the combination of the kimchi rice, ang sarap talaga. Of course they have sweet potatoes, cheese sticks, onion rings, coleslaw, steamed rice, and to pickled radish for pamula yung umay. Pag nauumay na kayo sa kakakain ng manok. And of course, this is on the website. So, pwede kayo mag-order online. So, take note of the food allergy notice. No? In food preparation, maybe you're allergic to eggs, fish, milk, peanuts, shellfish, sesame, soy, tree nuts, and wheat and gluten. And thank God, hindi ako allergic sa maski niyan. At my age, no? So, napaka bonus na. So, we can, of course, the location. Let's check out the location, Location is, we have in, what's this? New York. Oh, New York. This is overseas. How about we check the Philippines. So there's one in Ayala Malls, Feliz Marcos Highway. And the internet is very bad. So let's check the about. Yo. So it's a promise. It's more than a name. Yeah. I can tell you. Tsaka nung kumain kami, ang daming tao, no? Dinner and ang dami nakapila. So maybe you will think na it's a new name. Pero mayroon palang, according to my best pals na kasama kong kumain dito, is meron daw mga movies, Korean novela movies na shoot sa restaurant na to. Maybe kaya siya sumikat. Ayan, oh. Best of the best quality. Yeah, that's exactly what I felt. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, not all chicken are the same, no? Sometimes yung timing, yung freshness, no? Hindi ako magtataka kung kinatay yung chicken today, no? Mga ganong style kasi it's tender, it's moist inside, no? Yan, so ayan, ito lalo na to. Tignan niyo yung itsura nito. Wow. Spring onions and finger chilies with the pickled radish. Pickled radish yan, itong white na to. Napakasarap, delicious talaga. Ayan, our story, 1995, our chairman Yoon Hong-gwin founded BBQ Chicken in Seoul, South Korea, with one simple mission: serve great tasting, high-quality Korean fried chicken to the world. It's safe to say that mission succeeded. Yes, it operates in thousands of stores across the globe. Our secret is simple: we're passionate about chicken, and we're passionate about Korea. Meron pa silang in-establish na chicken university in Seoul to keep us on the cutting edge. And it shows, it shows. Talagang pag natikman nyo to, it shows na akala nyo ano ba yan? Simpleng food, marami na ako nakita niyan, pero meron talaga. Ayan, kaya yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, yung chicken may be so fresh. Kasi tignan nyo, may university pa pala sila. That's the secret talaga. Eto, dami, wow! Korean success story. 57 countries, 3,500 locations worldwide. Buti na lang pala hindi na natin sinerch dahil napakarami pala naman. If you want to go for franchising, let's check the franchising, okay? Franchising. Talagang yung isang friend ko, nako, siyang nagdadala sa amin sa mga lugar na ganito kasi kung hindi niya gagawin yun, we have no idea kung na meron palang mga existing na ganitong places, no? Well, sabi rin nila, mga friends ko, na kailangan din maging updated din pala ako sa mga latest, no? Dahil nasa internet business din ako. A Korean franchise, an American obsession. Yan. Proud tradition and promising futures. Wow, ang dami. Okay, let's go. What's this? Learn more. Okay, maybe if you plan to do a franchise, at least alam nyo na there's a franchising. So, maybe you will have to contact them directly and baka iba-iba ang franchising fee around the world. No? Or maybe around the Philippines. So, but remember the name, BBQ Chicken. Parang iniisip mo no, barbecue chicken. But it's not. It's different types of delicious fried chicken. So, yun lang muna mga chong. Peace.